Be seen and not heard. This is a grown-up conversation. Told to hold on to our words, but for too long we've been patient. Often left in the dark, but where the light, future's bright, we're ready to take flight.
And now we're departing, the movement is starting. I'll make it clear, along with my peers and their real careers, we're here and in the right place we will land.
They say you wouldn't understand, but we stand and we stood, misunderstood. Don't be threatened by our hoods up.
Menacing, all black attire. We know the limits are higher. It's adding fuel to the fire.
Ni fyddwn yn sefyll wrth ein hunain, o fe nawn ni sicrhau I gadael ein llais I atsain.
Because we've got a voice, got a choice, one they've tried to silence.
Ond rydym wedi darganfod ffordd, mae gennym pethau i'w ddweud, camau i'w cymryd, newid i'w wneud, gwnewch heddiw.
But we found a way, we've got things to say, action to take, change to make today. And they ask us how?
We're going to make a difference. Do you hear us now?